if you have sex, you will die.
That's it.
Here is here's a 98 Subaru Outback Wilderness Wagon, $2,700, Asbury, New Jersey. This is not a stock car. This is the way Outback. This is not a stock car. This is the way Outback, a heavily modified mud truck. It is sitting on a 2,500 square body GM frame, shortened about 25 inches. A Kingpin Data 60 with grizzly hubs to adapt from a dually. The rear is a corporate 14-bolt Lincoln locked. Does this make any sense to you, Atlas? A very large lift kit. Dick Seppic 44-inch fun country tires.
This dude cut 2 feet off that frame.
Jesus.
Too
to fit a
big.
rusted out Outback. Oh my God.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
But I mean, you can put anything on top of that frame now. I mean, you get tired of the Outback, you chop that off, you put on, the Dodge Ram next to it.
Yeah,
Just go down the
literally.
line.
Like, it's an old school Dana 60 because it's leaf sprung, but like, this thing will go through everything. Trees, liberals, whatever you want.
So bring this to Atlas's compound. Not so much the death race.
Don't take this to Atlanta. Take it to Charlotte. That's what I'm hearing.
Yeah.
Start a cult. This could be your vehicle.
This is cool.
That's it's like a water jug for the intake.
Cool. A trash can.
Yeah.
Yep. This is definitely cult approved.
And again, I ask this. It's actually my sister just drives around and sent me a picture. Somebody is selling local to me. I'll have to get a picture and I'll send it to you for the video. They're selling a Ranchero that's lifted on probably tons. It's lifted on axles like this, and like he sent me this. She's like, why would somebody do this? And I was like, I ask myself this question all the time, and the answer is always because they had this lying around.
They had 2 broken cars in their yard in the dirt, and why not just have 1 car in the dirt?
Yeah, exactly.
Now it's above the dirt.
Dick Seppic fun country.
You're supposed to say it as Dick Seepack.
Dick seepage.
Yeah.
Dick Seepage fun
the Seepack actually, he made Dick Seepack wheels. The DC ones. They were the bro truck wheel before bro truck wheels were invented.
Damn.
So he's the original bro trucker.
This is history right here, folks.
The big dick, the old dick.
Sabrina, don't just stare at it. Eat it.
Up next, we have this beautiful 1963 Ford. And this one is not certified for the race.
It's not
going to get
It ain't gonna make it
You'll
to the
never
race.
pass
Jesus.
tech with that much rust.
Yeah, it's not going to get through tech. Here's a 63. Get out of here, dude. Here's a 63 Ford GT Falcon X63 Roadster. One of one built unique car. Let's see
there she is, just glowing afterburners on my Ford Falcon.
Oh, Poochie, you have a car for sale.
Sounds like Poochie.
God
damn it.
Switch right here. And you just hit that right there. That's right. The Ford Falcon, baby.
This is definitely Poochie.
Yeah. What a world.
Tight.
Oh yeah. Hand built.
Oh yeah.
By Sean Patrick Kennedy.
The Sean Patrick Kennedy?
One of a kind. Whoa. Not another one in the world like her.
Who?
And there never will be.
Give this dude a call and ask him questions about who Sean Patrick Kennedy is at 310-927-072.
That's right. 310-927-072.
Dude, don't give up my fucking
Call
phone number.
Poochie's house now. 310-927-072.
Ask him who Sean Patrick Kennedy is.
Pretty wild thing. I don't know what an X63 Roadster is, but this is one of one. You're gonna have to wear a helmet with that. Look at that windshield.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Gotta find it. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gotta find my soundbar.
There's Poochie.
That's pretty sick, actually.
It is pretty sick. I actually don't hate this, and I think for 25 grand, that is
rare. It's rare,
yeah,
folks.
It is. Yeah.
There's a word.
I don't know if you can really place an extra value on it being like a one of one custom, but
I mean,
I was gonna say, it's just something that some dude builds, so it's not like, an official trim or
Sean
whatever.
Patrick Kennedy.
Yeah.
It's not just some dude. Sean Patrick Kennedy, man.
The man
Come on.
himself.
car was built with materials and methods used in 1963. Completely error correct. I thought it said that it was built in 1963, and then I saw these solar lights in the before picture and was starting to wonder. But no, it's a period correct build.
So this is just some this dude built last week.
I have to imagine that this is based off of a concept that we're not aware of.
Wait. Go back 2 pictures.
It kind of looks like, you know, the 1960s futuristic, what cars will look like in the future type shit.
I don't know.
Yeah. It's
Google that X63 Roadster. Maybe it's a thing.
Judging by the other cars parked in that guy's yard, he has.
Yeah, it don't exist.
doesn't exist.
He has a specific
this dude
type.
made up. That's not even a thing.
Yeah,
I
he's
have
got a
a
type.
tremendous amount of respect for this guy.
This is
Why
literally
y'all-
no different than the fucking mud Subaru we just saw. Just some dude guy,
Damn.
some dude built.
Yeah. No. You tell him.
That's brutal.
I'm telling him.
He's got a Porsche 356 or a Speedster or whatever the
I don't give
Yeah.
a about Sean Patrick Henry or whatever his name is, Kennedy.
Yeah, Sean Pad. Oh, so it was built by. Oh, it was built by the guy who's selling it.
Ask him, who is Sean Patrick Kennedy? Yeah.
Call Pucci anyway. 310-927-08.
Yeah.
This one's not
And ask
approved.
him-
Here is.
And ask him who the hell Sean Patrick Kennedy.
Anyway, here's a V6 Fiero GT with some beautiful stripes on it. Clean title in hand, runs and drives great, completely rust-free, 45,000 miles, fully rust-proof coated, new leather seats, modernized interior with Android Auto and a backup camera, straight piped, can send over a video. Just installed a new radiator this month, July 2025. Yeah, this was listed 4 months ago. 6,000 no trades, relisting the car again for the season. Engine has been gone through and rebuilt, less than 50,000 miles on it. So more than that on the chassis. And I gotta tell you, just right off the bat, no, this is not it. I watched a video in health class freshman year of high school where they talked about a kid who died in one of these because it split in half when he crashed it into a tree. Like these things.
You also watched that video?
I think everyone
all
watched that
watched
video,
it.
right?
I don't remember that one, but
Yeah, that's something that happened for sure. At least to that one guy.
You're from the South. You guys don't have school.
Did you start school at all?
in the South, no, they just give you a Bible and say figure it out.
Yeah.
And they don't have Fieros in there, not even in the New Testament.
No, so Feed's vetoing the Fiero. I would allow the Fiero, but Feed's saying no.
This is an absolute death car.
You will die.
On God.
That is the one takeaway you get from that video. Nothing about sex ed. Just if you die, if you get in a crash in a Fiero, you will die.
If you have sex, you will die.
That too.
They told us that too.
It was just one long class.
Yeah, if you crash into a sex in a Fiero, you'll die.
Yeah, basically.
I like these cars, but I would not drive with Pucci in a Fiero GT. Absolutely not. Oh, that's an auto too. Yeah, one last thing about these. I think they built over 1 million Fieros. Consider
really?
how many are left.
What?
Look that up. I think that stat's true. It might be 100K, but it's a lot of Fieros
It's
that
still
were
a
built.
lot.
There, I'll look it up.
I don't think they built 1 million like XJs, and that's a lot. That was a car they made a dick ton of.
370,000. Okay, I'm
Jeez.
sorry. I'm a little
yeah,
off.
that rounds up
Okay,
to 1
but
million.
that's-
Yeah,
yeah,
absolutely.
yeah.
No, that's still way more than you would ever expect.
I would
Yeah,
have guessed like
truthfully, yes.
50,000 max on this, but no, 375,000
Half
of
of them
these.
are from 1984 too.
This was a big seller and also a big killer of teens, according to my health class. 92 Nissan Sentra SCR, $7,000, Tucson, Arizona, 174,000 miles, automatic. I doubt it. Ready to go. Needs tires, but other than that, just put a new fuel pump and had coolant system checked, and it is good. Info on car is in pics. All right, we got a turbo SR20.
All right.
Was it gold at some point?
This thing's been through a lot of lives, I'm gonna guess.
Yeah, it has.
Look at the
Yeah.
cowl. The cowl is white. The engine bay is gold.
And this is obviously a fresh respray here. Stick shift, yeah, the automatic. That's just, Facebook shit. It is an SR20 DET Avenir swap.
I don't know what the Avenir is.
You got me. Some front wheel drive car from Japan, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But yeah. So
Yeah.
it's a
Go back to
built-up-
his list.
Yeah.
I'm done reading. Let's see. The OEM B13 transit stage 3 clutch. So yeah, it'll pop out any second now.
These things have transmission issues.
Oh my god, yeah. Yeah. What is it like? 5th gear pop out is yes. That's not a bad list.
It's
I don't know if it's worth. It's probably worth $7,000, which
Yeah.
is the sad part.
It is.
Especially if he's actually reinforced and rebuilt the trans, because 5th gear pop out is for an everything.
I would say it's probably worth it, but
Probably.
really hard to tell from screenshots and info and pics, but it sure looks like it probably has $7,000 worth of work on it and a gold engine bay.
No, you can bring this to the death race because I will be jealous and want to drive.
It's a sick car. 1986 Pontiac Firebird.
Hell yeah.
Yo.
It got smoked.
Let's see how long this. You think it's a quarter mile or an eighth mile? It has to be a quarter. The guy's wearing a 1320 video T-shirt. Wow, whatever was next to it was going pretty fast. I like that there's also like there's a jump on the drag strip.
That big, that looks scary as hell. Oh, you have to go up the hill?
Does.
That's wild.
It's got to be an eighth then. Is that just like a I don't know.
Yeah.
He says it runs 6.5 in the eighth on 8 pounds of boost. Foot braking at 2,500 RPM, shifting at 6,000, 2,000 5.3 twin turbo with Gen 5 rods. Runs hot, dude. That's
Yo.
that's saying
Very
looking.
symmetrical. I like it.
That thing looks surprised to see you.
It does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Johnny 5. Yeah.
You know, if Netgear was here, he'd tell us what this looked like.
What? Yeah, but also, what is this? This looks like half a gas tank or something.
What is what? You
this
can't see your
scoop?
mouse.
There's this cowl that's sitting on top of the radiator here. It looks like it's
That's
made
like
out
the
of
fresh air, the fresh air scoop. Right?
yeah,
Like-
but it's made out of like the bottom half of a strap-in gas tank.
I was gonna say like a gas tank cover. Yeah.
This kind of looks like Roberto from Futurama.
A little
Does
bit.
a little. The eyes are too small though.
The eyes are wide.
Is that the guy with the clamps?
Yeah, no, the stabbing robot.
Yeah.
The one with the clamps is named Clamps.
He's just clamps, yeah.
Well, this is a real mess.
Oh, it's got the laptop and everything.
Danger to manifold, right there.
Absolutely, danger to
That's
manifold.
what that is. Danger
So
to
he
manifold.
went full race, and then he was like, "Nah, I still
Yes.
need a radio, so I'll put it over here."
Yeah.
Still need something to listen to while I'm in the staging lane.
Yeah, something's got to be able to play stripper metal from 1980s
Smooth operator.
or yacht rock, I guess.
Yeah, rock. It's wild looking.
It's
I
wild.
just-
Yeah.
16K is a lot of money.
No, it's not Death Wraith approved.
No?
Not quick enough in the eighth. No.
No.
It-
Damn, a 6.5/8 isn't gonna cut it on the
guy-
back roads.
Nope, not gonna
Yeah.
cut it.
No.
Gonna
Alright.
put you
What do
Death
they
Wraith.
What do they
You don't
sell
die
at
fast
Slick
enough.
Whiskers?
Whiskers.
That's where we're gonna end this
I'm-
one. We're gonna find out what they sell at Slick Whiskers in
I'm guessing
Columbus,
it's a
Ohio.
barbershop.
I'm gonna guess it's a pet store.
Barbershop.
Is a pub and patio that is
pub.
permanently
Oh,
closed.
what?
What the?
It's gone.
Damn,
So it was a bar.
It was a bar.
not slick enough.
Not slick enough.
Nice
What
picture.
do you think what's the license plate stand for? What do we wrong answers only?
Thick
Thick white cock. So
yeah.
it's double thick.
Hmm.
thick cock. Thick white cock.
We will isolate that, folks, and that's
Yep.
an episode.
Using
damn
that
it.
for later.
Yup.
He does it to himself, folks. He does it to himself.
Bing
Thick white cock.